This one's a Marvel Het pied. It's pretty bright yellow. I got quite a bit of Marvel. I've got quite a bit of Het pieds, het albinos. Working it into some other stuff too. Not a lot of people are really working with it, but it's pretty cool. Does some pretty funky stuff with the pattern. Definitely like stuff like that quite a bit. Almost like little G's backwards. But yeah, definitely interested to see what it looks in pied. Albino too. But these guys probably won't be ready to breed until next season. Hopefully. Thanks for watching.